Grecian Windflowers are nice spring bulbs. They're perennials that are native to the Mediterranean region. And this low-growing plant is known for its delicate cup-shaped flowers that come in a wide range of colors, including blue, pink, purple, and white. Grecian Windflowers are easy to grow and require minimal care. They are deer and rabbit resistant. I got mine from Brex several years ago. They are 4 to 6 inches tall and 3 to 4 inches wide. They bloom in the early spring in blue, pink, purple, and white. And here's a nice picture of the leaves right here. Here are some of these windflowers that reseeded themselves right into my lawn, and they've been doing just fine in the grass for a couple of years actually, but I decided to move them to the flower bed, and so I'm just digging around them, and I want to get as much dirt as possible because the less you disturb the roots of the plant, the better off you're going to be, and the easier it will be for the plant to make its transition. So I've got a nice clump of dirt here, and I'm trying to hold it together as much as possible, and then I will carry the shovel over to this hole that I already made and just try and set it in there at the same ground level. Might have to put some dirt underneath of it if it's too deep, and then just push dirt in around the sides of it and gently compact it down so there's no air holes around it, and then it should be just fine. This time of year in March, it is so cool and the soil is so damp that you really don't need to give it any extra water. Just start watching it in April and May, and a lot of times even in April you don't need a whole lot of water, but May for sure you need to start watering things and making sure they're okay. And they are hardy in zone 4 to 8. They just require full sun or partial shade. They are in well-drained soil with plenty of organic material, with moderate water. Allow the soil to dry out a little bit between waterings. I just use the Miracle Grow feeder with garden hose applicator. Plant in the fall about 2 to 3 inches deep, and just water regularly, and they should do just fine. And I hope this helps out at all, and so if it did, you might consider subscribing to my channel, and I will talk to you later on. Thanks.